Trade Genius.
What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. All right, so one thing to keep in mind when you're dealing with a bear market like we have is to know that not every single thing is going to be going down, and there are opportunities. And so you want to just go through your charts. If you see the linear regression channel pointing up, those are the ones you want to take a look at. And when you see like buy signals on, that's going to be a better opportunity for you guys to go in and capture the dips on those. Again, not everything goes down. There are some that will deviate from the entire crypto space. So there's a few of them. Ripple's one of them, and that's Ripple can be argued. People like it, dislike it, but fact of the matter is we're just trying to make money. So if the opportunities are there, you take it. And so as you can see, we had some our signals fire here, like where we want them on the bottom of the regression channel. And so those opportunities are there. If you're interested in these indicators, guys, head over to tradelikeagenius.com. We are extending those specials out to Cyber Monday. And again, you can get these indicators on there for and if you're interested in these indicators, guys, head over to tradelikeagenius.com. We got our specials running over there till Cyber Monday. Okay, we're going to extend them out. There was a lot of demand, so I decided to let that run till Cyber Monday. So you can pick up those indicators there. Again, this is just about making money and the opportunities that we have. Even though the crypto market cap has lost a lot in value, there's still these still opportunities to be had. So welcome you guys to join us, and welcome you guys to join us in the room, get these indicators, and start making some money even in a down market. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. What's up, guys? Philip at Trade Genius. Wanted to cover TUSD BTC and how you make money when Bitcoin is going down. And basically, if you guys aren't familiar with this, some of you may be, but True USD is an inverted pair. So basically it's a dollar peg, and dollar pegs just mean that this is a stable coin tied to the value of $1. For every dollar in the treasury account, they issue a token representative of that dollar. Makes it easier to move tokens around or dollars around to the other exchanges that don't deal with fiat. So that's the premise behind it. Now, the way this works is some exchanges have opted to turn the TUSD into an inverted pair, and what that means is it does the exact opposite of Bitcoin. So as Bitcoin's going down, it actually goes up. So you gain in terms of Bitcoin, and that makes you money. So just wanted you guys to be aware that there are ways. The other option would be, and for a lot of people in the US that's not an option, is to short Bitcoin, but you have to do that through margin exchanges, which means you're going to borrow tokens, coins from the exchange or other people, and then sell those and buy it back lower and pocket the difference. But in this case, you can just buy the inverted pair and it will go up as Bitcoin goes down. So as you can see, again, we talked about buying things in an uptrend. This is definitely in an uptrend because Bitcoin is in a downtrend. So there are ways to take advantage of these moves. And so I just wanted to bring that out to you guys. Again, if you guys are interested in our products, we can head over to tradelikeagenius.com and click on any of the specials. We're extending them out to Cyber Monday. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.